Let me show you a quick overview of how the new Paybus software works. We'll start by adding a debtor or client. From this main menu, click Debtors and Debtors again, and we'll add. We need to assign a unique code for this client. Usually initials will do. Now enter in their name and any other details you may require for your records. We do need to enter in a pay by method. There's several options available in this drop down box. We'll leave it as check. Invoice method and statement method also need to be entered. A couple of choices there for each of those. We'll leave them at print. Now we can save and exit. Now let's add a staff member and choose Payroll, Employee and Add. Similarly, we enter a unique code for our new staff member. We'll use initials again. Enter the surname and first name, and again an address and contact details if you need them. We do, however, have to enter in an IRD number, a pay frequency. We have options in the drop down box. We'll leave it at weekly. A start date, and a tax code. This is a bare minimum required, and lots more information can be entered here if desired. Information about all these fields is available on our help documents. If we now go to the Rates tab here, this is where we set the employer's hourly rate, usually for shed hands and presses, etc. Shearers are usually per sheep, so we tend to leave this blank, but we'll enter in a shed hand. If we know the total hourly rate is to be $20, we need to establish the base rate, which excludes holidays and any non-tax allowances. Click on the rate calculator, enter an hourly rate here, 20, and the non-tax, in this case we know it's $2. The annual leave and the stat pay percentages here are automatically filled. They've been set elsewhere in the program under company details. So click calculate. So we can see the base rate has been established at $15.99. We can exit that and pop that amount in here. That's it. We'll change the basis of the employment to casual and the type to shed hand. Now look under payments. This is where we enter a bank account number for our staff. Enter across and pop a reference. Now we'll look at the leave tab. Because we're entering casual staff, we need only to look at the leave percent here. Click this tab. Tick pay leave as a percentage of gross. And we can tick pay automatically each period if this is your practice, or leave it unticked to accrue. We'll leave it unticked. Now click on Standing. This is where we enter regular payments like rent, KiwiSaver, child support and the like. Click in the grid, enter a pay type, double click or F8 to look up one. We'll search for child support, enter a C and scroll down child support, there it is, highlight and pick. Enter across and enter in the amount to be paid to child support. Save and next if you want to add anything more, or exit when you're done. This amount now will automatically deduct every time a pay is generated. So that's it. Let's exit back to the main menu and we'll look at entering in a tally sheet.